What if one small act of kindness could change many lives forever? Watch how a poor boy built not just a bridge, but a bond of happiness. Welcome to a heartwarming story, The Bridge of Kindness. This is the story of Raja, a brave and caring boy who sets out on a journey to help his family, but along the way, he helps many others in an unexpected and magical way. Let's see how kindness and honesty can create miracles. Raja was a young boy who lived in a small village with his parents. His father owned a tiny shop. Sometimes Raja helped there, but the shop did not earn much money. Because of this, the family often faced financial difficulties. Raja felt sad seeing his parents worried. One day Raja thought, my mother struggles so much to run the household. I should go to the city and find work so I can earn money and help them live better. He shared his plan with his parents. They loved him deeply and did not want him to leave, but Raja was determined. At last, with heavy hearts, they agreed. Early one morning, Raja packed his things and prepared for his journey. His mother hugged him with tears in her eyes. Raja gently said, "Don't worry, mother. I will return soon." His father placed a hand on his head and gave him blessings. His mother packed food for him and slipped a few coins into his pocket. Raja walked for many miles, crossing fields and hills, until he reached a dense forest. As he passed through it, he heard voices behind some thick bushes. Curious, he quietly looked through the branches and was amazed to see a group of dwarfs sitting there. One of them looked like their chief. He wore a golden coat and a jeweled turban. The others wore colorful clothes and bright caps. The chief was saying, "Our relatives live across the river, but now we cannot meet them." Another dwarf said, "Many of our businesses are also across the river. How will we manage our work now?" Raja stepped forward. The dwarfs were surprised to see him, but he greeted them kindly and asked about their problem. The chief explained, "There are two dwarf settlements with a river between them. We used to cross by boat, but the boat owner has gone away to earn more money elsewhere. We are too small and light to swim across the strong current. Our work and family connections are suffering." Raja thought for a moment and said, "Don't lose hope. I have an idea that can solve your problem. It will cost some money, but it will help you greatly." The chief replied, "If you can help us, we will gladly pay the cost." The dwarfs welcomed Raja warmly into their settlement and gave him bags of gold coins for the project. Raja promised to return within a month and went to a nearby town. There he found an elderly carpenter and asked him to build a strong wooden bridge over the river. The carpenter inspected the river and agreed, saying, "It will be expensive." Raja smiled and said, "Quality matters more than cost." He paid him in gold coins. The next day, many workers arrived with tools, wood, ropes, and supplies. They worked hard every day. Raja also helped them. Within a month, a strong and beautiful bridge was ready. Raja thanked the workers and rewarded them generously. Then he went to the dwarfs and told them their problem was solved. They happily followed him to the river, expecting to see a boat. Instead, they saw a grand wooden bridge. The chief carefully stepped onto it. The bridge did not even shake. Raja walked across and back to show how safe it was. The dwarfs cheered with joy. "This is wonderful," said the chief. "Crossing is now quick and easy." They held a celebration feast in Raja's honor. After the meal, Raja returned the remaining gold coins and explained all expenses honestly. The chief was deeply pleased with Raja's honesty and kindness. He gave the coins back to Raja as a reward. Raja thanked them and returned home. He gave the gold to his parents and told them the whole story. His parents were overjoyed. From that day on, they lived comfortably and happily. Moral of the story: kindness and honesty always bring great rewards. When we help others selflessly, we not only solve their problems but also create happiness in our own lives.